Out to dry. Don't make me look like someone else and dress me up and cough me out. Don't read my book.